In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track website traffic and find out who visited your website using Hubspot. If you're keen on understanding the flow of visitors to your website and gathering valuable insights for your business, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can easily follow along. So let's dive in and explore how to set everything up in just 5 minutes. Our starting point for this journey is the Hubspot homepage. You'll want to open your browser and navigate to Hubspot's official website. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Login button. Click on this button to proceed and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before moving forward. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Hubspot home dashboard. This is your central hub for discovering all the tools that Hubspot offers. Now, look for the reporting option in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Selecting this will take you to the reporting and analytics section, an invaluable resource for insights into your web traffic. Within the reporting section, you will want to click on Marketing Analytics. Here is where the magic starts to happen, as this section houses all the reports you need to understand your traffic sources and visitor interactions. From here, move on to the web traffic analysis. This area allows you to delve into the specifics of your web traffic metrics. You'll get access to detailed analytics that offers a breakdown of who is visiting your site, how they arrived there, whether through organic search, direct links or another method, and even what pages they're most interested in. Finally, once you're in the web traffic analysis dashboard, explore the available data. These metrics help you make informed decisions about your digital marketing strategies and understand which efforts are driving the most traffic. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive method to analyze your website's traffic using HubSpot. By following these steps regularly, you'll be better equipped to make data-driven decisions that could significantly enhance your business's online presence. I hope this tutorial helps simplify the process of tracking your website traffic and identifying visitors. Implement these steps, and over time you will gain a strategic advantage in optimizing your site's content and marketing efforts. Thanks for joining me in today's video, and happy analyzing.